Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and more specifically about today we are going to learn what is WordPress and how you can install WordPress through cPanel to your website, domain or hosting. Now, WordPress is basically an open source software that you can use to create beautiful websites, blogs, maybe a web app. It has beautiful designs, it has a sleek dashboard, it has some amazing features for your website. And along with that, the community of WordPress is so big that you get almost each and everything on WordPress. Now let's see how you can get started with WordPress. One obvious way is to press this button here and download the WordPress and then upload it to your website through a hosting provider or maybe with your developer. While there is another easy approach to do this as well, but totally depends upon what you really want to do and how you want to learn things. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can install WordPress to your domain and hosting through cPanel. So I have bought my hosting and domain from easyhost.pk, and let's see how we can log into the cPanel. So I go to the My Services. You can also buy your own domain or hosting from the EasyHost. I will drop a link in the description. So there on the left side you would see login to cPanel. Now but click the login to cPanel and this is about to load. Boom! We have cPanel here. Now in the cPanel we have lots of other options, that is creating emails and some forwarding, SSH access, the cloud failure and many other things. And then you will see one other thing that is called WordPress. Now when you click on this WordPress, you will see an option of installing now. Now, as you can see that I have installed multiple WordPress on my domain. So let's see if I press install now what happens. Okay, so it would ask me to install the WordPress, which version. Probably we would want to have the latest version of the WordPress. So I would choose the 5.7, then the domain. Now if you want to install domain, the WordPress on the main domain, so you could remove this WP and it will be installed on this. But I want to install domain on, let's say I would name it trainings, right? So now the WordPress would be installed to sasolutionsPK.com/trainings. This is going to be the domain. The site name, okay, let's replace it trainings, and the site description, I would replace it to WordPress trainings. And if you want to enable the multi-site, so basically when you have lots of WordPress blogs on your domain, so you could enable the multi-site, but that is another feature that you could learn later on. Now then we have the admin username, the admin password. I would just set it pass123. Okay, so the admin solution, select the language. Okay, so these are the default plugins that you would install, but we will leave it as it for now. Then we have the advanced options. So if you are a pro programmer, maybe you could decide your own maybe a database name and other things. And then we select a random theme. We could select it later as well, but for now if you want to choose some, so you could just click it here and it will be done to your domain, right? So suppose we just want to go with the training thing, so we need to choose something that is more relevant when it comes to training. So I see one theme that is Education Hub, so I would just select it and then I would select the theme and just press install, and now we wait for it to complete. Usually it takes 3 to 4 minutes. Now this is the WordPress installation through cPanel, and along with this you have other things that you can install as well in this cPanel. Like you could have some forums, some portals or other CMS, and we have the polls and analytics and the gaming thing. So whenever you have time, you should explore that and you will find very amazing things here. And here we go. We have the WordPress installations. Now if we see this, so our WordPress will be installed here. That is the trainings and the theme that we selected, and yes, it's working. And if we want to make changes to the theme, so we also have the wp-admin, and if we click here, so we will go to the dashboard. That's it. So this is how you install WordPress on your fresh hosting and domain. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video about how we can use this WordPress admin panel to change the website and make some changes to the appearance of the website. If you have any question, feel free to drop in the comments or email me. The email is in the description. Thank you very much and see you then. Take great care. Bye bye.